Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know I have been MIA and I have not been posting consistently. You guys, my bad, okay? Life has been life and so much has been going on, okay? But today I am coming to you with a room tour. So I am on vacation. I'm actually at a retreat, which I'll get into that in another video. But let's go ahead and get into this room tour. So I am currently staying at the Garza Blanca hotel or resort in Cancun. So if you have not been to this resort, you might be interested in checking out this video prior to going, okay? So I'm currently staying in the junior suite room. This is with a queen double bed. And so I just want to give you guys a little tour. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so this is the entrance. And this is the room. So I have been to other resorts within Cancun, and this junior suite is definitely junior. It's a little bit smaller than what I'm used to, but I think it's still cute. It's just me in here. So they gave me a room with a double bed, but it is fine. So I love the green accents that you see here. The curtains are green. You have this marble countertop. Excuse my stuff. You have a TV. Here's this cute little mirror, okay? And I look matching the vibes, of course. But yeah, you have these queen double beds. It's definitely given aesthetics. And this fan is also really, really cute, which I actually need to turn it on. So let's go over here. You have this partition, which is really nice. I'm gonna have so much fun taking pictures in here, okay? This is the mini bar situation. They come and stock it daily, and this is actually an all-inclusive hotel, so everything is included. You have a tub here, and another cute little background. We're gonna try it out for pictures as well. And then this is the bathroom, which I really like. It is given like a studio type apartment vibe. You have double sinks. You have the shower. I love the amenities here. So this is overhead shower. And then you have the toilet, which is separate. And then over here is this is the closet actually. So it's double doors or sliding doors. You have all my beautiful clothes. And then the other side has shelving and a safe that you can use. So that is that. Let's go outside. So this is what my outside porch looks like. I'm actually need to try this out, this hammock. So the hammock was pretty sturdy. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous in the beginning because I don't usually get on these type of things, but actually I loved it, and I ended up falling asleep and taking a little nap on it. Of course, y'all know room service came through with the good food, okay? I honestly could do this every single day of my life. Like, absolutely love it. The food was good, again, included with the resort. The resort was actually pretty beautiful. The weather was so nice. It was right off of the beach. It wasn't too crowded during the time that I went there, so there was plenty of seating. So I did go to the spa and get both a facial and massage, and let me tell you, this was the best hour and 30 minutes or whatever, however long it was, of my life. It was so relaxing. They do take you through a hydrotherapy ritual, which, let me tell you, I was not prepared for this contraption to the lady told me to sit down, and I'm like, sit down where? And I'm like, okay. She closed the door. I'm like, what's going on? All this water out of nowhere starts gushing on my head, and y'all know how Black women are with their hair, okay? I was not prepared. She could have warned me, but you know what? It was fine. That's what our braids are for, okay? There's a sauna, there's a whirlpool, and after a while we were just able to sit. So it was a very, very, very relaxing experience. I want to make it my business to get a massage every time I go out on vacation, okay? Because it was so worth it. They had a recreational center. I mean, that's what I'm calling it. It was kind of like a business center too. If you wanted to come, have some meetings, watch some TV, play some pool, just hang out and chill. This was a great place to do so. The Wellness Dome was one of my favorite places, so this was their gym. Came fully stocked with drinks, towels, water, anything you needed. I absolutely love the machines. I usually don't work out while I'm on vacation, but I've been trying this new lifestyle, so I am trying to be fit as much as I can. Absolutely loved it. The resort had several places to eat, several restaurants to choose from, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Overall, I had an amazing time. Stay tuned for part 2 to see my actual experience because I had a blast.